Hi, my name is Sarah and I got chosen for the Honeywell Vox box. So here I am. We are going to open it and check this out. I am super excited. Of course, you got your instruction book. Definitely I'm going to have to read this. Ooh, got coupon too for $1 off a replacement filter. That's awesome. I love coupons. Alright, here we go. Alright, check this out. God, I always love the extra plastic. Okay. Alright, here we go. Got that. Got a nice, easy way to fill it. This is nice. Alright, well there it is. Right here. And I should put it back on correctly. Okay, so here we go. And I'm going to tell you goodbye so I can go and plug this in and check it out. Bye. Have a great day. Thanks, Influencer. I love the mission.